Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 1996 to 2002 4Runner. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove the lower control arm bolt with a 19mm socket. Step 3. Cut off the sway bar end link mount and grind the frame smooth. We recommend cutting off the existing body mount as well. Step 4. Mark your cut line 3/4 inch from the bottom of the frame. Then, cut on the marked line and remove the bottom of the frame, as well as the control arm mount. Step 5. Grind the frame free of dust and debris. We recommend treating the surrounding area with a weldable primer. Step 6. Slide the part into place, using clamps as needed. Then, weld all the edges. Finally, paint the part and work area with primer to prevent any further corrosion. Then you're done!